Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when you receive videos just like this. You know what time it is and you already know who this is. It is time for another video to help your online business journey, stimulate your mindset, but we'll go ahead and crush it in your online business journey. Today's video, affiliate marketers for beginner made easy, asking the right questions. Now, the one I see in the marketplace, and I actually have this problem as well, is not asking the right questions whenever you start an online business. This will work for any type of business that you have. We're specifically talking about affiliate marketing and network marketing niche. Make money online niche. This is what this video is about. Asking the right questions. Big problem, we don't ask the right questions. You do need to understand that you need to identify the problem. How you identify the problem is about asking the right question. That's out there. People are so interested in trying to get the sale. You have to ask the right question. You have to build the relationship first before you have your solution to that actually problem. So if you're asking questions, ask open-ended questions like the what, the where, the how, the why. Why do you want to start an online business? Where do you currently work at? What type of ideas that you have? Ask questions. You can get information. Then you can go ahead and have a solution for those particular problems. That's what it's all about. Asking the right questions. That is the big problem that I see out there in the marketplace. And just any type of business, we don't ask questions. You gotta understand, you must communicate. The second thing I see as well that's a big problem is that listening, being a good listener. You must listen to what they say. Do not worry about what you have to say in terms of your business and things about you unless the customer or that prospect asks that to you. But if they don't, you keep asking question after question after question until you get to the point where you can start solving the problem. So you must be a good listener and you must know to ask the right questions. But the solution I have to all that is the type of questions you want to ask. Once again, open-end questions, the where, the why, the how, the when did you start an online business? What type of results did you have? Where do you currently work at? Ask questions about the prospect and that particular customer. Build a relationship. Then it gets a little bit easier, mainly because you understand that person's problem. Then you have a solution. Now, I do have a solution for you for problems that you currently have in terms of listening or possibly not in the right affiliate marketing opportunity or starting an online business. If you're interested, click on the link below. I do have an opportunity just for you on an opportunity to start your online business with excellent training, great coaching, and a good program that's all done for you. That's completely done for you packages right through the system, made easy. Affiliate marketing made easy. That's what it's all about. Click on the link below. You'll be part of my opportunity, and I can't wait to see you on the inside because I believe this year is the year for you. And my question for you, when are you going to get started? That'll be my question for you. When are you going to get started with the opportunity I have for you? Because I know what it's like to be struggling as an affiliate marketer, especially if things are not easy. Click on the link below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this channel and this video. And I'll see you on the next opportunity, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.